Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 25G, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started we'll need one of these things. They come provided with the device, so you will use this to eject that tray, but instead of this you can also use a paper clip if you can't find this little pin right here. So let's take off the cover and locate the tray, which for me, well, should be also for you, is located on the upper left side of the device. As you can see, we're right over here. Once you find it, push the pin in, the tray will pop out, and from there you can take out the entire tray. And on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards, so you just place one SIM card right here, or one SIM card and one SD card. So if you're planning to use one of each, you do it like this. So from here, insert it back into the device. And there is the pin for the SIM card, so I'll confirm as that. So obviously SIM card is working and SD card is working as well, which you can see right over here. So that is how you insert SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.